Ciao tutti, welcome to Chamba Academy, where your study abroad dreams can be a reality. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the process to apply for one of the prestigious scholarships offered here in Italy. Okay, so let's get right into it. Today we're going to talk about the MAECI Scholarship, which is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation Scholarship. So this scholarship is given to master's and PhD students who are going to study in Italy. So the scholarship has been open. It's been open since the 15th of May up until the 14th of June. So we only have about 2 weeks to go in before it closes. So if you have gotten admission from Italy, then you can apply for this scholarship. So let's just take a look at some of the few requirements for you to apply for this scholarship. So firstly and foremost, there are about over 100 countries that are listed as eligible to apply for this scholarship. If you go to the Esteri website, which is the official website for the scholarship, then you will find the listed countries that are eligible to apply for this scholarship. So firstly and foremost, you have to be part of the eligible countries that have been listed to apply for this scholarship. Secondly, if you are applying for the master's program, or you've applied rather for the master's program, in order to apply for this scholarship, you have to be below the age of 28 at the start of this scholarship. So there is an age limit. And if you're doing a PhD, of course, you have to be below the age of 30 at the time of application for this specific scholarship. Secondly, of course, you have to list about 3 universities or 3 different courses or similar courses at different universities or at the same university that you applied to. Now, when you're listing these universities, so there is the first one, which is going to be the priority university. If you get your scholarship, then your letter of acceptance is going to go it's going to be in line with the university that you listed first. Like in my case, when I got the MAECI scholarship, I had put the University of Foscari, which is in Venice, as my priority university, but unfortunately I had gotten admission at the University of Siena. So yeah, they had to change the whole letter to say that I'm going to study in Siena and not at Ca' Foscari University. So make sure that the university that you put as your top priority university is the university where you've gotten your admission, and that's the university that you intend to study at. So then you can list the other 2 as second and third priority. Aside from that, of course, you have to upload your CV. So you have to upload your CV. I would recommend a Europass CV. So you can just Google www.europass and you'll be able to create a Europass CV there. Secondly, of course, you need your motivation letter. Okay, so the motivation letter this year actually it's a bit different from last time. When I was applying in 2021, the motivation letter was 1,000 characters and you had to type it in a box. But now you have to upload a PDF file for your motivation letter, which is limited to about 500 words, not characters, but words. So about 500 words. Yeah, so in another video, I am going to talk about the details on how to write an effective motivation letter for this specific scholarship, because I have written several samples of motivation letters that I've written or crafted for some clients. So we'll get into that a little bit later on a different video, rather. Okay, so after you have all these documents, which is your motivation letter, your CV, you have filled in the application form, you've given your personal details, you've uploaded your transcript, you have uploaded your degree certificate, and any recommendation letters if you have any, but it's optional. So for those who don't have a degree certificate yet, who have just completed universities or have graduated but haven't obtained a degree certificate, you can indicate that you are waiting to get your degree certificate, or you can actually get a letter from your university stating that you'll be graduating on this day, or your degree certificate is going to be issued on a specific day, but you need to have that degree certificate if you are of course if you go on to the next stage, which is the interview stage. Okay. And then for PhD students, of course, you need to upload a letter from your professor, or rather supervisor. So that is where you need to, that is what you need to upload. And then there is the part that says tutor. For master students, you don't upload anything, or you can also just upload recommendation letters if you have any, or any additional information that can support your application. Okay, so we've talked about the documents that you are supposed to upload. Now we can move on to the benefits of the MAECI Scholarship. Okay, so specifically the MAECI Scholarship, if you are awarded this scholarship, one of the benefits is that you are entitled to a 900 euro stipend, which is given quarterly. So every after 3 months, you are given the 900 euros, which is supposed to cover your living expenses. So that is accommodation, food, etc. Your fees, your tuition fees are completely paid, so you don't have to pay for your tuition, because the scholarship pays for your tuition. And lastly, you get insurance, which is a pretty good deal. And yeah, there you have it. That is the MAECI Scholarship. Leave any comments. If you need details about the scholarship, you can reach out on my email or on this channel. Thank you. Ciao.